Hot off the forges, brand new product for the BD manifold lineup is the LS manifold to fit 2003 to 2013 GMC and Chevrolet pickup trucks. These manifolds for the Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra are a heavy-duty, thick-walled manifold made out of ductile iron. They're going to handle the heat better, and they're going to reduce warpage and help to eliminate the braking studs that you see on these trucks. Alongside that, we have a brand new fastener kit with longer fasteners and spacers to help with that thermal expansion as you're taking your truck through its daily routine. Maybe you're towing, maybe you're hauling a heavy load. With that added durability, you have a little bit of extra peace of mind running these BD manifolds. A key point with the LS engine in these trucks is they do have a lot of fitment. Several Tahoes, Escalades, different SUVs will use the same manifold. We do have an expanded fitment chart on our website. See it there at bddiesel.com.